click the blue Login button. Click Create Account and for personal use. Enter a name. Surname is optional. Enter a year of birth, a month of birth and a day of birth. Stating a gender is entirely optional. Click Next. If not happy with the suggestions, click the third option, Create your own Gmail address, and enter the Gmail address of your choice. Click the Next button. Enter a password and confirm it. Click Next. Entering a recovery email address is entirely optional. Entering a phone number is entirely optional. Verify the address and click Next. For account customization, you can use manual customization and then click the option that suits you best and click Next and continue to do this for 5 steps. And finally confirm your settings. Accept the terms of service, and voila, you are logged in at your newly created Google account and are ready to access the Digital Fabrication Lab digital booking system. Thank you for your time.